Stories like this are why I do what I do. All right, hey everyone, welcome back. It's Bryan, and we have another episode today of Trade Talk Tuesday. Now, today we're going to take a little bit of a different approach because I want to tell you about this amazing story that I want to share with you. And stories like this are why I do what I do. All right, I'm sure you've seen it. There's crazy stories on the internet of all these people who make millions trading in the markets, and every single time, by and large, when you see stories like this, you see like young kids like with stacks of $100 bills getting in their red sports cars or getting in their private jets and living this lifestyle. This is the trader's lifestyle. And look at these millionaires. Guess what? Okay. Most of the time, those stories are not true. That is just some kid just renting a private jet for 1 hour to take a couple snaps, throw it on his Instagram account, and make him look super cool to all his 18 followers. But that's not real life. Those aren't trading millionaires. I mean, maybe they've made 10 grand in one day and they're going to lose it the next day. That's not sustainable. But that's why I want to bring you this story today. All right, what we're going to show you is something that I find so remarkable because this is a real life example, and it's something that could happen to you starting whenever you want. So let's get right into it. Here, pull up his picture. I want you to meet George L. All right, see him right here? All right, this is really him. We Zoom called with him. He told us his story. We verified his story. He said it's true. He said we could share it with everyone. So I'm going to share it with you today. So here's what happened. When George first joined the War Room, which is our rapidly growing community of online trading enthusiasts, he introduced himself as, and these are his words, a trading newbie. All right, so he didn't really know too much about what he was doing, didn't know too much about trading, but he was interested in it. So he joined us, okay? And then, as luck would have it, just months after he started trading, guess what? The Corona crash happened. And I'm sure you know what happened there. The Dow dropped almost 30% in 4 weeks. It was one of the most rapid drops in market history. 30 million people lost their jobs, and Uncle Sam started passing out $2 trillion worth of bailouts. Now, you'll probably think that a trading newcomer like George would have gotten totally wiped out during something like this. But here's the thing. Amazingly, the exact opposite happened. All right, so in the midst of this pandemic, while everyone on Wall Street was freaking out and panic selling, and the Dow was dropping 1,000 points in a day or in the morning, George doubled his account in his first month. In late February, he said, "My trading account has doubled since Friday's close." And it didn't stop there. A few days later, he 3x'd his account. He wrote us and he said, "Trading account is now up 330% since the close last Thursday." And then from there, it was off to the races. 2 weeks later, he had 5x'd his account. In mid-March, he said, "My trading account is now up 500% since the closing bell on February 21st. And then 2 weeks later, he was up 700%. March 13th, in the last 14 trading days, my investment account has risen 704%. And then it happened. 3 months after George joined us in the War Room, he became a millionaire. I remember it. I was talking to him. He proudly announced on this day, "Yesterday, I solidly joined the 7-figure club." So yeah, that's right. George L., this trading rookie, joined the 7-figure club in the middle of the Corona crash. And if you think that's cool, it gets even better. By March, he said that he turned his $150,000 retirement account into 2.35 million. So that means he 14x'd his trading account and became a millionaire 2 times over, all in 3 months. How on earth did this happen? Well, that's what you're about to discover today. You see, George's success can be attributed to the unique trading secrets learned inside of the war room. Now, a skeptical investor knows that people out there sometimes try to use testimonials and to try to fool you into thinking that everybody has the same experience. That's not real, but this is. So obviously, some people do better than others, and how much you make depends on how much you invest. That's why I fully publish my entire track record, winners and losers, so you can see for yourself what everybody had the chance at. And here are my results since we started in May of 2019. Inside the war room, we've recommended 735 total trades. And of those, 569 of them have been winners. That means we've had about 8 winners for every 10 trades since we started. And our average trade made 12% every 5 days. Now, the War Room is a rapidly growing community of online trading enthusiasts who gather together every single day with one goal and one goal only: to discuss winning trades. For those interested in learning these 5 secrets, you can get a free copy of our report, 5 Trading Secrets to Win Every Day in the Market. Inside this report, you'll learn the exact trading secrets that helped George join the 7-figure club. I mean, who knows? Maybe one day I'll be talking about your experience just like I'm talking about George's today. I mean, pull up his picture again. I mean, look at this guy. Look at how happy he looks. All he did was get our free report and start trading with us, and now he's a millionaire 2 times over, and even during a market crash. So if you want to try to take that same journey and replicate George's success, you can start today. On that note, I'm actually on my way over to George's house right now for cocktails and appetizers. Until then, cue my exit music.